Alright, what's going on, guys? Big Head Rider here with the install video of a GPR version 1 steering stabilizer, steering dampener. Yeah, we're gonna put it on my 03636 and yeah, let's have some fun. Alright, so first off, you gotta have the bike, you gotta have the stabilizer and the tool. So 5mm, 6mm sockets, Allen head socket adapters, sockets, a 36 mil, and channel locks if you're using this, because I don't have the long ones or a long wrench, so I gotta use those to tighten it. First step is take off the big 36 mil nut. Shouldn't be on there that tight. Ow, not on there that tight. Take a big nut off. Big nut, go right there. This thing, the thing that goes on the triple tree. I had a washer right here, but it's not there no more, so you don't gotta worry about it. But if you have one, don't put the washer back on. And what you're gonna want to do is line it up, with the bottom of the triple and kind of like the top of the triple. My paint's kind of fucked up on the triple, so I can't tell like really where I'm putting it. But I'll eyeball that. And for this, you're gonna want to make this one tight, and then this piece loose, and then the stabilizer loose, and then kind of tighten it into sequence. But I'll show you that right now. Snug her up. One little oomph. Ooga, ooga. There you go. Okay, next piece, this one. I already got my bolt in it. Oh, lost my washer. And for this, I don't have the long ones of those, so I gotta use that. The basic Allen wrench. The little curved out side is facing the front of the bike, because that's how it grabs on. If you put it the other way, I don't want to know what's going to happen. You're going to want to line it up a little bit and then throw the stabilizer on, see where it's straight, and then, crank her down. That looks straight, but I'm going to test it out. See where she falls right here. Honestly, that seems pretty straight. The bars are straight. Yeah, I'll crank her down right there. And you may be asking, why do you want a stabilizer? Well, if you have an older bike, or your bike's got a light front end, or you drive on the freeway a lot and you tend to get speed wobbles or head shake jitters, a stabilizer is pretty much going to deflect everything. So there's like oil in that thing, and it acts as suspension pretty much. So when you hit a bump, it's gonna take it. So your bike's just gonna, it's gonna be smooth. I'll do a riding video and tell you guys how it feels, because my bike used to wiggle and hop and bop everywhere. I did have blown fork seals, but I did get them redone, and still it kind of did the same thing. So hopefully this does, what I'm looking for, so I feel safe on the freeway. And this stabilizer, I got it for $150. I know it's a version 1. I think brand new, the V4s go for like fucking $450, I think. Put her on. Everything's tight right there, right? Yeah. Drop her in. Line up the bolt holes. Lifty loosey, righty tighty. There's a car driving by. Oh, tighten her down right there. Tighten her down right there. And this one, the little clamp. Get her snug. It's aluminum, I think, so don't strip it out when you tighten it. Okay. Oh, get on the bike. It's on setting 3. That's what the bike is on before. And already doing this, it feels way better. Make sure it's actually straight. And I'm rolling back on flat ground. That's weird. Looks straight to me. And go on. That's 3. See if 1. I see a lot of stunters use 1. That's already better than stock. Let's go to 5. That feels pretty stiff. Pretty stabilized. Let's go to 8 just because. Oh, that's stiffer than. Holy. I don't know if you guys can look at my arms, but they're flexing pretty hard. Holy shit. Yeah, I wouldn't want to go to that. Maybe in the ride I'll go to 8 and I'll see what that does. We'll go back to 3 because that feels pretty good. But yeah, that's my GPR stabilizer install on a 03636. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I think that's it. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.